What up, guys? It is STEM Dice Forensics, and as you can see, boom, boom, boom. Was that cool? No. All right, yeah, that's just an accessibility here. Yeah, I don't like it. I mean, it's kind of cool. Why is this all the way in the? Okay, anyways, I'll be showing you. Look how cool this looks. This is my background that I made, and I'll get into all this. But first, this video's to teach you about how to make your own YouTube channel art. A lot of people like to make pictures or just screenshot something to make their YouTube channel art. But on YouTube, it has to be a certain dimension. It has to be like 5 by I don't even remember. But what I like to use, this will be in the link this will be in the link. This will be in the description. This link will be in the description. It's called PhotoJet. All right, PhotoJet basically allows you to look up any picture. Like, let's say I want jets. I don't know. I like how this. Another thing is okay. You know what I mean? Okay. So, anyways, if I go to images and I go to jets, then I can press tools, usage rights, because you don't want to have not labeled for reuse, because then you could get like um YouTube can call you out and go like, hey, you're kind of using a photo that was not labeled for use. So bow, click that, and it will show you what you can use. So just click onto this, right click it, and then it will say save image as. You press that, and then it will save to your save file as. It would save to your drive. Now I'm using a Chromebook. You could do this with Windows or anything. You can do with Microsoft. You could do it with anything. So save files. I press save, which I don't want to save this because it's just a picture of jets. But let's just say I just saved that file. All right, I would go to photo, and then it would say add photo. All right, so I would click add photo, and it will click it out of my uh, which once this thing loads, I would click it on my drive, all right? And once I click it, it would appear right here. Now, currently, I don't have any pictures in my drive, but I guess I can. I guess I can just to show you guys. Maybe I should have saved that because I can just, what? This is called that raw content, guys. All right, so, all right, yeah, add photo. You can go by now, and yeah, I just like this because PhotoJet is basically a site that you can actually make YouTube art on it, or you can make it has the dimensions so you can use it. All right, let's just say I want to use this. All right, click it, and boom. Now that's pretty small, so I might want to enlarge that. All right, I might want to enlarge that. All right, now since I created this of my own, just go to text. All right, and I can use now these things with the little crowns on them. You can't have unless you upgrade, which I think you have to pay for. I'm not sure, but let's just say I just take regular. It's pretty small. I want to enlarge that. All right, double click to edit, and let's just say I just wanted to type something like hi edit. Yeah, that's a word, but anyways, yeah, that. This is basically what I use for my YouTube channel. Art. All right. So once you're done with this and you have your YouTube channel named Headit, and you got all that, what you want to do is just press save, and then press that save format. You can pick PNG or GPG, and press save. Save for free now, and this will save whatever concoction this is. Some actually this is a pretty cool. You gotta admit that's pretty cool. All right, this is my current YouTube channel art. I like to change it. All right, and I press save, which I don't want to save. All right, I'm gonna do it again to you, but I don't want to save. All right, but how I did make this is gonna be pretty cool. All right, what I did is I went to a website called wait a second. Before I jump into that, once you save this, basically go into your YouTube channel. I'll just do it. Just do it. And do it. All right. Wow. Recommended. Anyways, yeah. So I would go to my channel. And yeah, it would basically, you're looking at your YouTube channel art. You look at your YouTube channel art, and then it says that here. And basically, this is mine. You would press this. And then hopefully you know what to do from now. But this likes to take. All right, drop a photo here. You press select from your computer. You press that. It will open up your downloads. Click the image you want, and it will. You can also, once you click on the image, you can crop it out, size it out to fit your likings. It also, you can edit it for phones. What would it look like on phones, tablets, computers, and even TVs? Crazy, right? So yeah, and it even says it right here, how to create. So if you don't know how to, it's right there. But yeah, that's what I like to use. I like to use this site. All right. So, but anyways, the thing that I use to make this bad boy right here, what I just showed you, that looks like kind of like mountains. Well, it's pretty cool. All right. So it's a website called This Is Sand. I was gonna say I did already accept Adobe Flash Player. All right, so this is sand, and this is a creation that someone did, which was pretty cool. Now, if I even look up this is sand, I looked it up earlier because I was looking at the drawings or creations that people were making, and it's epic what people can do with this thing. All right, Five Nights at Freddy's, Donald Trump. Oh my gosh, the dog, Pokemon. This one's my favorite, honestly. I don't know how this was a little bit more. It's just amazing. It's just and then the website one. All right, but anyways, if I press start, boom, it will show. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. All right, so basically, right now I'm using a very bad color of white. You can see it down here. This is a very bad color. Why? Like why? All right, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And if you double click or click the mouse 2 times, it will automatically do it for you. So you do not have to wait a million years for it to, and then you click to get out of it. All right, so yeah, and then I want boom. All right, so basically this just tests your imagination. What can you do with this? There's so many things that people have done with this. It's crazy. It's really cool. It's good for YouTube channel art. It's good for just making photos. For a teacher, a card, you can put it on a card. You can do it. This thing is really cool. It's called This Is Sand. All right, guys, and yeah, so that's basically my creation. This is my new YouTube channel art. I hope you guys enjoy it. And good, but I'm joking. No, that's not my new YouTube channel art. I would go more and elaborate. This right here took me 15 minutes at the most. All right, it doesn't take that long, but it does look pretty. But it honestly doesn't take that long. You just gotta sprinkle a little fairy dust there, boom, 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 and then it just layers on, and it's really, really, really cool. Now, a lot of you guys might be wondering how to make the designs, or there's a lot of YouTube videos that show you how to create like circles with this sand or squares or boxes. I am not that good at it. I just found this website today, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, this is a blessing from God. This is amazing. All right, so yeah, that I just wanted to show you guys this because it's amazing what this website can do. I just love it. I love it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, put in the comments what you want, what videos you want me to do, because I'm getting bored. Okay, I gotta find out new what am I, topics, videos to use. Now this is another educational video. I don't know if I'm gonna do another gaming video. I'm not sure. All right, I know the very first one was pretty lame, which, but yeah. This is called This Is Sand again, once and again, and yep, that's about it. You can bookmark it. like I bookmark both of the sites, the Online Graphic Designer and This Is and I can access those very easily. All right, or you can pin them to shelf like I showed you in a previous video. And so yeah, that's basically what this thing is. So I just wanted to show you that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and us and I like I said before, just use this, or you can just use this website. This I just love this website because it's so easy to use, and I'm elaborating on it because it's so easy to use. There's so many templates out there, and I mean, there might be other easy ones, but this one's a really good one that you can just, it's for free, you know? It's amazing. All right, and there's different ways to do this, which you can figure that out you can figure those out, and it's pretty cool. All right, but man, I'm forgetting to tell you guys this. How I got this, which I basically screenshotted this. All right, so I screenshotted it by doing the command, which you can look up online. I cannot remember it right now off the top of my head. I think it's Control Shift for Chromebooks. It's the little box with the arrows. Yeah. All right. I don't know what it is for Windows or anything for screenshot, but I also have an extension that I can use. That's not okay. You know what? You know what? Don't hurt yourself, little buddy. Don't hurt yourself. All right. Too slow. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, that was my video, and just go check it out. Both of these links will be in the description below, and go check them out. So thank you for watching, and peace out.